Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking on some C-Sec algebra questions, re multiple choice. Y is equal to the square of x can be written as, so here we have y is equal to x squared, B would have been the answer. Given that A, we have our asterisk here, B is equal to 2A minus 3B, then they're saying wherever we see A, we're going to put 2, and wherever we see B, we're going to put negative 3. So it's going to be 2, A is 2, minus 3 times negative 3. So here we have 2 2's 4, and we have negative 3 times negative 3, and that would have given us positive 9. 9 plus 4 would have given us positive 13. Negative 8a times negative 3b, so they're basically saying negative times negative, so this would have been positive 24, and a times b would have been ab. Here we have 3x squared times 2x to the third power is equal to, so 3 2's would have given you 6, and x to the third, x to the second, we add the indices, so it would have been x to the fifth power. Answer A. 8a to the second power, so this is saying 8, where we have our 8a, we're going to go ahead and we're going to multiply it by itself. So we're going to multiply the number, so it would have been 8 times 8 would have given us 64, and it would have been 64a squared. 5, and we have bracket 2x minus y minus 2. We have open bracket 3y minus 5x, and we're asked to reduce or to show working until we get either of the answer here in the multiple choice. So here we can say 5 times 2x would have given us 10x. 5 times negative y, negative 5y. Negative 2 times 3y, that would have given us negative 6y. And here we have negative 2 times negative 5x, that would have given us positive 10x. We're going to go ahead and multiply what is outside of the bracket with what is inside of the bracket. So 5 times 2y would have given us positive 10x. 5 times negative y, negative 5y. Negative 2 times positive 3y, negative 6y. And then we have negative 2 times negative 5x would have given us positive 10x. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to group the like terms. So 10x plus 10x would have given us 20x. Negative 5y and negative 6y, negative 11y. So our answer would have been D. Wherever we see n, we're going to put 3. So here we have square root of m, which is 5. In bracket, we're going to put 3 because n is 3. And we have minus 3. We have our square. So here we have 3 5, 15. 3 3's 9. And the 9 from 15 would be left with 6. So the answer would have been A. 50 minus 3x is equal to x minus 26. We're going to find what is x. So here we have 50 plus 26. I'm regrouping. Is equal to x. plus 3x. So 50 and 26, this would have been 76, is equal to 4x. We're going to divide by 4 on both sides. 50 minus 3x is equal to x minus 26. We're supposed to solve for x, so I'm going to rearrange the variables together and the numbers by themselves. So here I have negative 3x minus x, which is equal to negative 26 minus 50. So this would have given me negative 4x. 50 and 26, negative 76. We're going to divide by negative 4 on both sides. So x would be equal to positive 19, because when you divide by 2 negative, your answer is positive. If p is equal to m squared over 2 minus m, when m is equal to negative 3, then p is equal to, so we're going to substitute negative 3 wherever we see m. So here we have negative 3 squared over 2 minus, and m is negative 3. So negative 3 times negative 3 would have given us positive 9. Negative and negative positive, so 2 plus 3, 5. So answer is C, 9 over 5. Here we're going to multiply what is outside of the bracket with what is inside of the bracket. So 3a times a, 3a squared. 3a times 2b, so that would have been positive 6ab. Negative b times 2a would have given us negative 2ab. Negative b times negative 3b would have given us positive 3b squared. So now we're going to look to see if there's any like terms. So here we have 6ab minus 2ab. So our answer would have been 3a squared plus 4ab plus 3b squared. Answer is B. 2x minus 3, open bracket, x plus 8. We're going to use negative 3 to multiply what is in the bracket. So we're going to have 2x, negative 3 times x, negative 3x, negative 3 times 8, negative 24. So here we have 2x minus 3x. This is going to give us negative x minus 24. Answer is B. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times positive y, positive 5y. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative y, positive 3y. Look to see if there's any like terms. So here we have 5x and here we have negative 3x. We have 5y positive and 3y. So 5y plus 3y would have given us 8y, and 5 plus 8y. Here we're going to substitute. So A is 7 and B is 28. So this is saying that 28 over 7 minus 1. So what we can do, since we're going to subtract 1, we can just go ahead and change this to the LCM, which would have been a whole 7 over 7. 7 from 28, we're left with 21. So here we have 21 over 7. 7 into 21 goes 3 times. Our answer is 3. This is a fractional algebra, so here we have 4x over 7y plus 3x over 5y. We need to find our LCM. We have 7 and 5, so our LCM would have been 35y. So 7 into 35, y would have been left with 5. 5 times 4x, 20x, plus 5y into 35y, 7. 3, 7, 21x, 21x and 20x would have given us 41x, which is A. 41x over 35y. It is not x squared because we're not multiplying, and remember that when we're adding or subtracting, we just use the variable that we're working with. We don't go ahead and multiply the variables. So that is why the answer is 41x over 3. This should be a pretty easy question. Here we have 3 to the x power times 3 to the y power. So here we have 3 times 3. This would be 9, and it would be raised to the xy power. 20a minus 16 is equal to 12. Open bracket 3 minus a, then what is a? So we're going to go ahead and get rid of what is outside of the bracket. So we have 12 times 3, that is 36. And we have 12 times negative a, that would be negative 12a. So here we have 20a minus 16. So we have 20a minus 16 is equal to this. So we're going to group the like terms. So here we have 20a plus 12a. That would be 32a. We have negative 16, and we're going to bring it to the next side. So here we have 36 plus 16, and that would give us 52. So we're going to divide by 32 on both sides. So a would do 13, and 4 into 32, 8. So our answer is 13 over 8. This question, they're asking which expression is the same as negative, open bracket x minus 4. So here we have negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 4, that would have been positive 8. Answer D. This is an inequality question. 2x plus 3 greater than or equal to 9. So we're supposed to find the range of the values of x. So here we have 2x, so we can say 2x, 9 minus 3, and we say 3 from 9, so it would be 2x, 6 divided by 2 divided by 2. So our answer would have been x greater than or equal to positive 3.